looking out, looking in. I don't know where to begin. Who knows where love is hiding in between the lines? These are strange days we're living in. I can find no reason, no reason, no reason. Strange world we're living in. I can find no reason, no reason, no reason.
There once was a young farmer who had a dream. At first, it was a simple dream, namely, to take care of his family and staff. Then the dream developed into a bigger dream. The farmer became very successful, and he realized that real dreams are made in heaven. As his business interests grew, he became more and more proactive, ensuring that every square meter of land was used productively. Today, that insight into the challenges of the agricultural industry defines the very essence of Senter360, company born out of a deep understanding of the proactive farmer's soul. Based in Klerksdorp, South Africa, Senter360 personifies the modern South African company. Firmly grounded in the value systems of its target market, the producers who effectively feed nations. There are just so many examples: sugar, vegetables, pastures, meat, and grain. Given the complexities associated with the industry, it is a target market with high expectations of suppliers, and that is the code we live by, namely, to ensure that every producer receives the best possible service and local knowledge. In fact, Senter360's sound guarantees of workmanship are only the beginning of a long-term relationship based on active after-sales service. No stone is left unturned to ensure that our producers are fully operational throughout. To achieve this, Senter360 employs the expertise of accredited service agents representing the company throughout Sub-Sahara Africa. Freight forwarding is done by road or sea, always ensuring precise delivery on time. But it is the durable quality of Senter360's pivots that really sets this South African company apart. Every aspect of the production process is checked and checked again for precision execution. Nothing is left to chance, and only premium grade materials are used. Also, because the company appreciates both its roots and the needs of our producers, Senter360's prices are kept well below those of imported pivots, marketed by international competitors. And that is the way it will stay, because we remain inspired by the people we serve. Once was a farmer who, just like you, had a dream to make a contribution to his community. You see, we realize this dream applies equally to you, because, as a farming community, we are one, bound together by faith and the wisdom bestowed upon us by generations of farmers before us. Together, we need to preserve the bountiful gifts of the land, using it productively, responsibly, and optimally. For us, it is about so much more than manufacturing quality center pivots. It is much rather an unqualified obsession with creating a legacy in agriculture.
It's a beautiful world, and it's right here.
Senter360, Pivot of Success.